Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Goodbye narrow screens. Samsung and Apple are switching to wide format foldable devices. The new upcoming most exciting foldables, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Z Fold 8 Wide, each with a different form factor, are on the way. Cases for the new devices have already appeared in China. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. New leaks reveal the Galaxy Z Fold 8's design and competitors' plans to take over the giant phablet market. The industry has finally acknowledged, smartphones are no longer just for making calls, they're a portal to content. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide is literally a portable TV in your pocket. Various leaks suggests the Fold 8 lineup may come in two form factors, with different screen geometries. According to a well-known tech insider, named Ice Universe, has posted a video featuring real cases for two versions of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8, and the classic version the Z Fold 8 Wide. The company is expected to release two models at once, one with the usual elongated design and the second in a new format, almost like the Huawei Pura X Max. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide version may offer a more tablet-like aspect ratio, improving the user experience when viewing apps, videos, and documents. The regular Fold 8, meanwhile, will retain the more familiar, elongated format that users of previous generations have become accustomed to. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide is expected to feature a 5.4-inch external display and a 7.6-inch internal display. While the display is smaller than the regular Fold 8, the increased width should make the smartphone more comfortable to hold. It will be powered by a Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, a 5000 mAh battery capacity, and support for 45 watts fast charging. Samsung isn't alone in its quest. Huawei has already released the Pura X Max, which set the trend for wider phones. Vivo and Honor are next in line. These brands plan to roll out their wide flip phones in late 2026 or early 2027. Fans of foldable devices can expect a true flagship, equipped with a Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, and a fold-free OLED panel, whatever that means. This wide design strategy is Samsung's preemptive strike against the foldable iPhone Ultra, which is expected to debut this September, and features, surprise, surprise, a bezel-less display. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide is rumored to be made official on July 22, 2026, at the Galaxy Unpacked event, rumored to be held in London. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.